How to remove message button from Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove message button from your Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon which can be seen beside what's on your mind text. Now here, once you are in your profile section of your profile page, simply tap on the three dot next to add to story button. And now here you can see the option labeled as add action button. So simply tap on that. And here you can see the option labeled as message. So simply tap on remove. And once you do that, you have successfully removed message button from your Facebook page. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.